I'm gonna be installing new headers on the GMC. These are the new headers that I got for it right here. He said just a little all the way.
Money ain't a problem. Money ain't a problem.
What's going on, guys? Back at it again with another video. So today I'm gonna be installing new headers on the GMC. These are the new headers that I got for it right here. Very nice, stainless steel, all that good stuff. I believe they're from Speed Engineering. See how the old ones look. So I am gonna let y'all hear how it sounds right now with the stock exhaust. I'm gonna be putting this one on right here. So this muffler right here is from Smokey originally. That's the one I want to go with. I don't know, but this one sounded really good, and of today I still think that's the best sounding one that I've had on Smokey. So I am gonna be trying it out on the GMC. See how it sounds. I should be going to the exhaust shop if I finish on time today and get it welded. Smokey. So let's get these new headers installed. Basically, I'm just gonna do the removal of these old ones. I am gonna remove this. It is the stock exhaust. It still has all the catalytic converters and everything, stock muffler, stock everything. So we're just gonna get these removed. From right there, let's see if y'all can see. So that flange right there, let's see, the flange right there, that one right there has 3 bolts on it. I'm gonna try to remove those 3 bolts and try to take off the exhaust fully together, because I am gonna be selling it on the side, because those catalytic converters are the stock OEM ones. You can make some money back out of them. So if y'all are gonna do some exhaust and you have your stock ones, make sure y'all save those and sell them, because they're worth some money. So without further ado, let's hop in the video.
Working right now, pero le vamos a hacer el favor de llevar su truck a Aces para que le ponen un exhaust. A little bit farther away. Gotcha. Oh, okay. But yeah, lo vamos a poner. We're gonna run the pipe back for him. Aquí, andamos echando gas ahorita. Gas prices are mad expensive, but okay. Look at my boy Pac though. He said, just fill it up all the way. Money ain't a problem. Money ain't a problem. Let's show him.
Just around the back. We're gonna do the same thing to Pac, pero él anda jalando. We're gonna take his truck for him.
Install them long tubes for my boy. We don't take it to no shops. We'll do it ourselves.
Do it at home. Both sides.
Call it some backyard business. Go all the way to Aces Performance. We're on the way. Aquí manejando la troca del Pac. FYI, I don't know how y'all people, the ones that have the long tubes open, like just, you know what I'm saying, like nomás put a long tubes, no muffler, nothing. I don't understand how y'all do it. Man, dude. Driving, let's just say you get off work pretty late, you're tired and everything, to hear this, man, I don't know how y'all do it, bro. That's why my boy Pac getting down, about to put the mufflers Well, I think my boy Pac has a MagnaFlow. I don't know, it's not a bullet, but I don't know what's it called, but it's a MagnaFlow. But OGs know how the smoky sound. The OGs know how the smoky sound, and that's how it's gonna sound. It's gonna sound good. So my boy basically is just gonna run the pipe and he's gonna dump it. He's not gonna put tips because he got a little surprise for you. I ain't gonna say though, because y'all gotta wait on it. But aquí vamos con Brian enfrente. Put a little MagnaFlow.
You can?
Huh?
You can?
I can. Brought it here, right?
We can. Don't take our credit.
But yeah, we put them on already. About to give you a little sound clip. I don't know if it's gonna do it justice, but